Hello friends, today we are going to see the example of Banker's algorithm. Basically the Banker's algorithm, in this Banker's algorithm we have given the process, the allocation matrix, the maximum matrix and the available matrix. So we have to find out the need matrix and the shape sequence for the same example. So we have given an example of given Banker's algorithm where there are five processes, namely P0 to P4, uh, and allocation of the processes is given in the matrix, and maximum also given, and there are three resources of type A, B, C are available, namely 3, 3, 2. So in this example we have three type of resources A, B, C. So first we have to find out the need matrix. So the formula to find out the need matrix is very much simple. Need is equal to maximum available resources minus allocated resources. Means we have to subtract the allocated resources from the maximum resources. So here as you can see, the maximum of A for process P0 is 7, and for A allocated resources is 0. So 7 minus 0 is 7. For B it is 5 minus 1, that is 4, and for C it is 3 minus 0, that is 3. So we have to find out need matrix for all the processes. So we just find out. Next is 1, 2, 2, and next is 6, 0, 0. Next is 0, 1, 1, and next is 4, 3, 1. So as of now we have find out the need matrix. Next we have to find whether the given for the given example there is a shape sequence exist or no not. So uh, for this we have to first check our available resources, that is 332. Okay. Next as you can see, the need matrix, the need of process P0 is 743, but as of now we have available resources 332. So it is basically clear that we are the need of the process P0 cannot be completed, because A requires 7 resources and we have available A is equal to 3 resources. So we go to the next process. So far now P0 is on hold. We check for P1. So P1 requires 1, 2, 2, and we have available 3, 3, 2. So it is possible to fulfill the request of P1. So we fulfill the request of P1, and after P1 completely executed, the P1 releases its allocated resources, that is 2, 0 and 0. So then our new available resources will be 3 plus 2, 5, 3 and 2. Okay. So our new available resources will be 5, 3 and 2. Okay. Next we so our first sequence, first step sequence will be P1. Next, as now our available resources are 5, 3, 2. Next we check for P2. P2 requires needs 600, but we have 532. So we cannot fulfill the request of P2, so we move to the P3. So P3 requires 0, 1, 1 resources of type ABC, and we have 5, 3, 2 available resources of type ABC. So clearly we can fulfill this request. So after fulfilling this request, the P3 will give the allocated resources to the available. So our new available will be 5 plus 2, that is 7, 3 plus 1, 4, and 2 plus 1, 3. So this is our new available resources of type ABC. So our in the step sequence we add P3. Next we will see P4 required 4, 3, 1 resources and we have 743, so we can clearly complete its need, and after completion P4 will release its allocated resources. So our new resources will be 7, 4 and 3 plus 2 5. Okay, uh, so as of now our three processes has been completed, P1, P3 and P4. But what about P0 and P2? So we will again cycle back or again checking the requirement of P0 and P2 if they are satisfied or not. If they we will check that, and depend on this we will continue to, our subsequence. So the need of P0 is 743 and our available resources are 745. So the need of P0 are can be satisfied. So after completing this, P0 will release the resources 0 1 0. So our new available will be 7 5 and 5. Okay, so we will add P2 to our subsequence, P0 to our subsequence. Next we will check the need of the P2. P2 requires 600 resources and we have 755, so we can clearly satisfy this request, and after completing the P2 will release 330 and 2 resources, so we'll add in our available. So our available will be 10, 5 and 7. Okay, so our we will add P2 to in our subsequence. So this is the subsequence for our given problem, that is P1, P3, P4, P0 and P2. Basically friends, it is not mandatory that there only one subsequence available. There can be a more than one sequence subsequence can be available. So depending upon where you start and where you end, your subsequence can be different. So thanks for watching, and if you like then you can subscribe. Thank you.